Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD JPY, US dollar Japanese yen for 2nd April 2021. So this analysis is for today only. You'll see me next week again with the analysis for the coming week. I bring videos on daily basis and in advance so that you get to stay ahead of the market and you do not miss any opportunity. So please do subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of US dollar Japanese yen, and as you can see right now market is trading at 110.43. Okay, as we all know, market is in great uptrend right now. Okay, and hopefully you have made good amount of money from my previous videos. Okay, so if you're looking for a fresh entry, then what should be a strategy? Okay, as I've told you in my previous video that yes, this point, okay, this point was a valid support for the market and you all entered and made good money. Thanks a lot for all those encouraging messages. Okay, and right now you can see that market is in a range right now. Okay, after this uptrend market is in a range. Okay, this is a range, so this is our no trading zone. Okay, you do not need to take anything because just the market is entered and things are not very clear. Market either may go up and either may go down. Let me clarify why market may go down. Okay, so this is your no trading zone, 110.19 to 110.97. Okay, this is your no trading zone. Now let's check the weekly time frame. In the weekly time frame you can see that market is in beautiful uptrend. Okay, market is a beautiful uptrend, but if you look at this particular line, 110.62 level, you can see that there has been some resistance in this price level. See, market tried to cross this particular level twice, but market failed and market came down. And since 2021 market is going up again and market is about to test that level again, so we are not sure how the market will react. And if you look at this candle closely, you can see that market is already witnessing some price rejection from above because market has already entered the resistance zone. Okay, so things are very beautiful in the 4 hours time frame and hourly time frame, but in the weekly time frame we can see that yes, there is a black spot. Okay, so this is the weekly time frame. Now let me take you to this overall trend of the market. Overall trend of the market, there is no doubt that USD JPY is in a beautiful uptrend. Okay, this is the overall trend and we can see that market is in nice uptrend. So what should be a strategy then? As you can see, market is in uptrend and right now market is in no trading zone. Okay, and in the weekly time frame market has got resistance at 111.62 level. Okay, so see, in a market like this or in an uptrend market like this, you should only be looking for buying opportunity because the the first and foremost duty of a trader is to protect his capital, and he can protect his capital only when he is trading along with the trend. And if you are a beginner, then you should not go against the trend. If you are a pro trader, then it's a different chapter. You know how to trade or you know how to take counter trades. Okay, but if you are a beginner, if you are a new trader, then you should not mess with the trend. Okay, so as market is an uptrend, so you should only be looking for buying opportunity. Okay, therefore if market crosses this level, okay, if market crosses this level, we will just avoid the market. Okay, you do not need to trade if market crosses this level. I'll come on Sunday again with the analysis for Monday. I'll tell you what to do. Okay, but if market crosses this level, avoid it. On the other hand, if market crosses this level, okay, if market crosses this level, then easily you can go for a buy at around 111.00. Okay, 111.00, 111.10, and your target will be 111.60. For this target you can go for, this will be your target. Okay, this will be your target. For this target you can go for a buy order, but do remember, if market crosses also, then you need to observe the price, because see, understanding the market psychology is the most important thing. You need to understand market psychology. If you do not understand the market psychology, and if you do not try to understand, you will never succeed. Therefore, what do you need to do? When market will cross this level, you just need to make sure whether it is a breakout or it's a fake out. Okay. When market will cross this level, wait for 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours, and 4 hours. Okay, just wait for a couple of hours and just observe the price. Okay, when market will cross this level, just observe the price and see. If you see that after 2 3 hours market is trading comfortably, market is having no problem, market is beautiful trading, then it will be a confirmation to us that yes, the resistance has become the support now. Okay, so once you get a confirmation that yes, resistance has become the support, just place the buy order, and this will be your target, this level. On the other hand, if market is in this range, then as I already have told you, this is your no trading zone. You do not need to risk your capital in a range bound market. Okay, when market is flat, there is no volatility, you do not need to trade. Okay, this is your hard earned money. It is your duty to protect your capital. Okay, so this is it. Okay, hopefully you have understood the analysis and strategy that you need to follow for US dollar Japanese yen. So this is it. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and strategy. I bring videos on daily basis so that you get to stay ahead of the market. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you Sunday on Sunday again. Bye bye.